two inputs A and B, and that for the output Y of an logic circuit, the logic circuit is option A is right answer. అలాగే 28 చూసుకుంటే if the differential voltage gain, the common mode voltage gain of differential amplifiers are 48 dB and 2 decibel respectively, then its common mode rejection ratio is option C is right answer. 29 చూసుకుంటే a change in the value of the emitter resistance Re in difference amplifier, option B is right answer. 30 చూసుకుంటే if an AM broadcasting studio a 1000 kHz carrier is modulated by an audio signal of frequency range 100 to 5000 Hz, what is the bandwidth of the channel in kilohertz? Option D is 10 kHz. అలాగే 31 మనం చూసుకుంటే find the length of a dipole antenna for frequency of 30 MHz, option A is right answer. 32 చూసుకుంటే a coaxial cable has an inductance per unit length of 10 nanohenry per meter and a capacitance per unit length of 4 picofarad per meter. What is the characteristic impedance of the cable? Option B is 50 ohms. 33 చూసుకుంటే the pulse width in a 555 timer based mountable multi vibrometer is given by, option B is 1.1 RC. 34 చూసుకుంటే a half adder can be constructed using two input logic gates. One of them is an AND gate, the other is dash gate, option C XOR gate. 35 చూసుకుంటే a logic gate with 6 inputs can have dash possible input combinations, option D 64. అలాగే 36 చూసుకుంటే if in a transistor common emitter configuration based switching circuit, the collector emitter voltage VCE equal to plus VCC and IC equal to 0 milliamps approximately, what is the region of operation of the transistor? Option C is cutoff, right answer. 37 చూసుకుంటే the binary code of 21.125 is, option A is right answer. అలాగే 38 మనం చూసుకుంటే what is the formula for time constant of the following circuits in figure 1 and 2, option C is right answer. అలాగే 39 మనం చూసుకుంటే the number of primary and secondary coils in LVDTs are, option B 1 and 2. అలాగే 40 మనం చూసుకుంటే rise time of any circuit are defined as the time taken for the output to rise from dash percent to dash percent of the maximum value, option D is right answer. సో ఇది టెక్నీషియన్ బి ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మెకానిక్ పార్ట్ 1 వీడియో. పార్ట్ 2 ఎవరికైనా కావాలంటే